Dude, what are you sitting on the couch for?
I don't know, man. I'm out of ideas for my YouTube video.
What do you mean?
Didn't you shoot flames the other day?
Wait a second. I just got an idea.
Wait, do you mean you or me?
Wait, what do you mean you or me?
What?
What's up, guys? This is your boy ZThruCharlie once again with another video for you guys. And today it's not hot or sunny, but it's cloudy and windy. But you guys already know it's hurricane season in South Florida, and everybody's getting ready for it. And I'm pretty much all prepared. I got my house all set and clean and all protected and stuff. But now I just had to protect the Z and Daredevil and Venom. But anyways, before we get into that, guys, don't forget, like and subscribe to my channel and follow me on IG Z.Thru.Charlie. And you guys already know the name of the title of the video is my Z shot flames and giveaway. We'll talk about the giveaway end of the video, but anyways, let's talk about the Z and how it shot flames and how we got to that shooting flames area. But hurricane season is happening. It's happening, guys. Right now it doesn't look so bad. It's really calm at the moment, but it's sprinkling at the moment, but not a big deal. But anyways, guys, it sucks because right now we can't do anything much and just stay inside it, do hurricane parties, whatever you guys want to do. But right now I'm worried about the Z, Daredevil, and Venom because I have no garage, nowhere to store them, so they're really out in the open with the wind, trees, and everything, and just it's a horrible feeling, guys. And it just started raining. All right, guys, I'm back. It was raining 20-30 minutes. It was just a waiting game of the rain go by. I didn't want to record in the car because I didn't want to record in the car today, and I was just waiting for the rain to pass by, and it's finally passed by, and now I'm out of the car and continue recording for you guys. This hurricane weather is not the best for filming because obviously we got wind, rain. It's not the best for the camera, but guys, the Z is behind me, and I am worried about the hurricane weather because I don't want a tree to fly through the Z or the Daredevil or Venom, because those are our babies and we want to take care of them, but I have nowhere to put them because I have no storage area to put them, so they're gonna be outside in the harsh weather conditions. But anyways, guys, you already know the title of the video. I'm gonna shoot flames. I shot flames. I'm gonna talk about it and give away. The other 2 weeks ago we were chilling with Noir.Tm, White Alpha, Honey Badger Shoots, and Cheyenne, and yo, it was a fun night. We're doing a podcast. It was Ray's podcast, and it was fun. And hopefully Ray's podcast will be up soon. I already had some issues with it, but we might take two on it. But guys, there's a reason why I'm talking about flames, because after the podcast, guys, we decided to do a friendly race because I always want to know where I stand with Ray and his tuned Z, because his Z was tuned and his Z shoots flames, does everything on the tune settings, so technically speaking it is faster than my Z. But that night we decided to do a friendly race, and we led to discovering one thing: my Z shoot flames. It shoot flames. We discovered it during the race after we saw the video. But guys, the Z shoot flames. I don't know how else to say about it. It's just epic. I didn't know how my Z even did that before, but here we go. We're gonna see a clip real quick. Alright, you guys saw the flames. That was the second race with Ray, but I lost that race. Just give me the heads up, guys. I lost that race. He got the W, I got the L. Like I was saying, it's a friendly race, not to show off or anything. It was just something where I stand against Ray. And now I know where I stand against Ray, but guys, my Z shoot flames. That's the biggest thing I'm worried about. I'm concerned about. It shoot flames. I didn't know it shot flames until that night, and it was big flames, guys. It was very big, and I don't know what to say about big flames. Don't know, but my Z did it, and I was very shocked by it. But guys, I am going to do a tune in the future because I want more flames. I want to do more control flames, I could say, like me doing the flames on demand instead of doing them by accident, because that was obviously an accident flame. But whew, guys, flames is needed in my Z. You guys are gonna love the flames. I'm gonna love the flames. You're gonna have a lot heat action. I'm gonna be wasting a lot of gas, guys. I will be wasting a lot of gas, but it's part of the nature of flames. But anyways, let's go back to the races real quick. Noir.Tm and I decided to do friendly races, and first race, he was on his flame map. Just heads up, he was on flame map, so he's not on his fastest settings, and we decided to race in that settings. And here's a clip. It was a close race. Obviously, it was a close race, and he took off. He got a better launch than I did, and guys, I started catching up on top end, and I was very shocked by this top end reach. But I took the W on that first race. I was very shocked. Ray was shocked, and I think everybody was shocked that night. But yo, I think I was the most shocked one there, because honestly, I was expecting to take L's, honestly, because my Z is not tuned, his is tuned. But it was a cool, fun night. I know where my Z stand on Ray's flame map settings, but the second race, guys, the second race where it matters, he went on his full tune race mode settings, and here's a clip. Alright guys, yeah, I took a L, took a big L, but I took an L and a W at the same time, because the same L, I shot flames, and guys, flames on a Z is epic. Even though I didn't do it on purpose, it was an accident, it's still epic, guys. I can't friendly race, and we learned something new about my Z. It shoots flames, and I just gotta say, it was a fun day with the guys, podcast, race night in Mexico, because everything's in Mexico, guys. And we learned the Z could shoot flames, and I love the fact it shot flames. And we're going to be doing some epicness later in the future. You guys going to enjoy it. I'm going to enjoy it. Everybody's going to enjoy it, because flames, who doesn't love flames? I probably said that flames so many times. I probably should do a word count on flames. It was a fun night, guys. It was a fun night. I will do it again with the guys. Noir.Tm, Honey Badger Shoots, White Alpha. Definitely need to do a rematch with Ray. Definitely, because enough about the flames, because I love the flames on the Z. But anyway, seriously guys, let's get to the serious topic right here, the giveaway. Because I reached to 50 subscribers. I mentioned it in my previous videos. When I reach 50 subscribers, I'm going to do a small giveaway. And today, the small giveaway is something I did in my previous video, that I installed my Z personally, the LED lights on the license plate. And guys, it just is a nice cosmetic mod. It makes your car look better at night, and it shows visibility on your license plate. It looks better. It's very legal and not illegal. But guys, I did it on my Z, and I want to give it to you guys as a giveaway. 50 subscribers. The way to apply to the giveaway is very simple. 3 rules. First one is must be a subscriber to my YouTube channel. Second, follow me on IG. And third, DM me a screenshot of you being a subscriber. And that's it, guys. That is simple rules to apply to giveaway. And the deadline for the giveaway is 2 weeks. 2 weeks of the deadline. After 2 weeks, I'll be choosing the winner. And guys, who doesn't want free LED lights for your license plate? It'll fit on any car. It's universal, and like I said in my previous videos, it fits on any car. It'll fit, it'll work, and I know these LED works. Guys, since I got 50 subscribers, I want to reach to 100 by end of the year, and 100 by the end of the year is very possible, and I need your help to get there, guys. Like and share my videos with your friends and family and everybody you know, because that's how you spread the word, guys. That's how you spread the word. It was fun making this video for you guys, because I was excited to talk about this video. I had this video idea for like a week, and I was like, this is a new thing for me. I was excited about the flames. The giveaway is coming up, guys, and it's gonna be epic fun. And I hope you guys enjoyed those videos of the clips, because they're all based in Mexico. Nobody wants to get in trouble, but they're all in Mexico. But it was a fun night. My baby Zilla had a good night that day, and I was very surprised. Alright, I'm trying to end the video for you guys. Just want to say a few things about the video. First, what you guys think about the intro? Something I knew I tried, and I hope you guys like it, and my cloning effect. But what else I want to say? Flames. You guys want to see more flames? Leave in the comments that you want to see flames on my Z. And the giveaway. Guys, don't forget to sign up for the giveaway. 3 simple rules. You already know the rules are. And guys, also follow me on IG, Z.ThruCharlie, and I'll see you guys next time.